In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion and Zapier together. So first of all, you want to go to Create, New Zap. Type in Notion. Boom. Now, event required. Let's say new database item. Press continue and it's going to ask you to link your Notion here. So click sign in. Click select pages. And then allow it access to whatever you need it to access. Hit continue. Now you can go down to trigger. So you can select which database you want it to look on. Now you can test it and they're just going to confirm that they can find the database. Cool, they found the database. Now, what you could do is you could add a time you can add a time trigger here. So basically it's going to be triggered every hour, for example. That's just something you can do. Anyway, so now for action, we can go over here. And what action do you want to do? So let's say we want to put the contents of the Notion into a Google Doc. We can put create new document from text, for example. Hit continue. Now it's going to ask you to sign into Google Docs. Now it's going to ask the action. So we can go here to document name, and it's gonna. So what part of the database do you want to be where? So let's say title. We want that to be the title here. The content. So let's say we want the I don't know, let's say we just want this to be the content of it. Root folder, so you can select folder, hit continue. So if you test action, now that what's it's going to do is going to get this document from Notion and it's going to put it into Google Docs. Now, obviously from here, if you go into here, you can change the application that it works on and you can put it onto tons of different things. So, whatever you need it to do, you can do that. So yeah, and you can see it's tested it and it's worked. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, then please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked. And if you see here, I've gone to the file and it's literally created the file that we wanted. So thank you for watching.